What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular auto auction update. It's been longer than a long time, man, but we got more than enough cars here to pick from. Actually, we're gonna be set up this whole week at the auction, man, so be sure to tune in tomorrow because we got walkthroughs and like auctions literally all week, man, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you guys want to check out the website, it's everythingsregular.com. Go tune in and support your boy right now, man. What you guys think about the Harley so far, man? We almost won another one today, but we didn't, so it is what it is, man. If you guys haven't already, let's do it, get into it, catch you out there. All right, man, first up, man, this is actually pretty rare. We never really get these at the auction. It's a 05 International 9400i, big old 18-wheeler from FedEx. I guess we can just walk around it and check out everything. It don't look too damaged. It's got 880,000 miles on it though. Wow, they drove this thing to Pluto and back. This thing is freaking huge. Like, you never realize how huge these 18-wheelers are until you literally standing up right along the side of one. We got a blown tire back here. Now we can buy this trailer and start, you know, hauling stuff, 18-wheeler loads and stuff like that, but I'm sure you got to have a special license for that. But you know how it goes. We can check out the inside of this thing. Yeah, check it out. Got the step. Okay, bet. We got the beds back there, double bed. Everything in here looks, I guess, pretty intact. At 880 miles, you would think that this thing is a little bit more out of shape, but it's actually pretty decent, man. I kind of dig it. What do you guys think? Oh, dang, that's a big old step down, man. You got to learn how to step in and out that thing if you want this truck, that's for sure. But what y'all think about it, man? It's a huge hood, man. Ain't no even need to open the hood on this joint. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, dog. All right, man, you guys know we got some pretty beat up cars here at this auction, but this is the cheapest auction in town. We got a 02, looks like a 02 BMW 325i, 197,000 miles. It's a 02, so the mileage is pretty much 3,000 miles shorter than where it's supposed to be. Not too big of a deal. It does have the sunroof. This is a foreign car, and this window does not roll up, neither one of them. So me personally, I'm gonna have to pass on this thing. A little bit old for my liking, but hey, if you like it, I love it. Let's move along now, shall we? Thought we had something a little better here, man. We got a Salvage 09 Hyundai Sonata here, 145,000 miles. This thing will be going cheap today. It is Salvage, man. You guys know we don't really buy Salvage at the public auction here, but I'll just give you a quick walk around, as it's probably still a pretty decent car. Take a quick look at the inside. I mean, it's dirty and stuff, of course, no big deal, but it is Salvage, man, so don't want to waste your money on that, but we'll keep it moving. We got a 2014 Cadillac XTS here, 221,000 miles on this bad boy. Man, they just made this thing look whooped. Like, when this thing, I want to look at a picture when this thing first came out and this one, like, so far from it. But I mean, if you want a caddy, man, get you a little Cadillac with the leather seats. I mean, it's not my thing. Got some tequila kickage back here. This was a town car. Well, not a town car, but a like a VIP service, or car service rather. So they drove the heck out this thing. I'm pretty sure they got it serviced regularly, but the mileage is a little bit high for me at 200 and some thousand miles on a 2014. I'm gonna have to pass. We don't want the 07 Honda with the woo wop in the front. I don't know what they was doing. They was trying to drag race and Fast and Furious and all type of stuff. We got the 08 Dodge Caliber, man. You know, at the last auction they had like literally like 8 of these. This one actually has 152,000 miles. We're actually gonna pass on that. Oh no, not the Charger. We don't want the Charger. It says the motor trans. They don't know with a question mark. It's a 2009 Charger with 116,000 miles. Man, these things are pretty much junk. This one and this one, it looks like this person it looks like this person liked their car way more than this person, because this person was like, man, I'm going all out. I want the whole shebang. We about to bring it back like it's 06, man. But this one is 06, 124,000 miles. It doesn't have the motor and trans little problem that one has. But, I mean, it's still a Charger at the end of the day, and an older one at that. I mean, it was the top of the line. I guess you can see it got the sunroof in there. Got the IROC wheels on there. It's not a Chevy or a old school Camaro or nothing like that. So I wouldn't have put IROCs on this. But hey, if you like it, I love it, brother. What do you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. I guess we ain't had to go to Copart to find a bike today, man. We got a 15 Honda CBR 300. Not really sure what these things are worth, but this one is pretty cool. It doesn't have pretty much any damage on it, so that's a plus. If it runs, you know, we may be able to grab it. It is a clean title, so you wouldn't have to worry about none of the other stuff that you potentially have to worry about with the Harleys that we grab. But I mean, I guess it's in pretty okay shape. What do you guys think about the Honda CBR 300, man? Let me know in the comments below. Man, this is probably going to be the best joint here, man. We got a 2018 Dodge Challenger. It's definitely not the 392 or anything faster than that, but it is a newer car, and that's always a plus here at the public auction, because you may be able to scoop up a deal if nobody's in the crowd paying attention. And this one actually has 56,000 miles. With a car like this, we can actually pop the hood, because this may be something that we're interested in. I mean, for the flip, of course. If you can get it for a low enough price, we'll see tonight what happens. But it only has 56,000 miles. My guess is it was like a rental car of some sort. You can take a quick look at the inside. It's pretty dirty, man. This thing is gonna need a full-on, the most expensivest interior detail you can get, because I mean, it is a new car. But we'll have to just see what happens when this thing comes through the auction. This will definitely be a deal, being that it runs good and everything, because I don't really see too much damage. You got a little streak along the side there. I don't know if you guys can see that up close, but all in all, no big deal. Couple dings and dents, but no big deal. I mean, it is a V6. What y'all think, though? Let me know in the comments below. Man, we got the 06 Cadillac CTS. Does look a lot better than all the other cars we've seen so far. This one's got 164,000 miles. Pretty cool colors. Got that white pearl color with the sunroof. We can check out this side really quick. I don't really see any damage. All four wheels match, so that's a plus. It's got the mesh grille up front. We can take a quick look at the inside. It actually does seem pretty fair in here, guys. I mean, most of these caddies be like super whooped. So this one is actually pretty fair for what it is. It does have the little TV radio inside. This car was definitely repainted. Like, this paint right here feels way wetter, I'm sure, than the front, because that looks like they just did that. But yeah, it's a V6 Cadillac CTS 06. What y'all think, man? Yeah, that definitely feels a lot different. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, pretty cool looking car here so far, man. We got a 06 Honda Civic, 114,000 miles. Pretty decent little two-door. I don't see no damage on this side, so that's a plus. We can pop this hood real quick, see what we got going on under here. I don't see anything that's staying. We're missing a oil cap there, so there it is. Whoever was messing with that didn't put the oil cap back on, but I'm gonna just leave that like that, because I know what's going on. Well, hopefully we'll check it out. Take a look at the inside. It is a stick shift. It's always a turn down to something, and they like the Dallas Cowboys. Wow. Okay, we're taking a look at the inside. It does look pretty fair, I guess, for the most part. Pretty decent little car. However, it is a stick shift, and I don't really like stick shift cars, so I don't know if you can get it for a cheap enough price. I'm sure everybody else is going to outbid me on it personally, but seems like it might be a pretty fair ride, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We got a '07 Honda Accord here, 281,000 miles. Pretty cool looking Honda. However, looks like they might have ran under something right there. They done woo-wop the wham. Does have the sunroof, so that tells me that this Honda in particularly may be the top of the line Honda of this model year. It does have leather interior, pretty decent leather interior at that. I don't see anything that really stands out. Radio and everything up here is intact. This may be a pretty good running car, so when this one comes through tonight, we'll definitely check this out on our list and see what it's running like, and just make sure we don't see no white smoke puffing or nothing like that. And I don't know, but it does have a lot of mileage. Now that I think about it, I forgot all about that. It was just a pretty good car. What y'all think though? Let me know in the comments below, dog. We got a 2012 Nissan Sentra. This one actually is a salvage title, man, so we won't be bidding on the 2012 Nissan with a salvage title. I'm actually good on it though. Actually good, man. What y'all think? We'll keep it moving. We don't want the salvage '04 Hyundai Sonata. Not really this Cadillac type of person, man. This is a '08 Cadillac DTS. This thing is actually, it's got 134,000 miles. It looks a little bit more decent than everything else out here, so I guess I'll check it out with you guys really quick, man, and we'll see. It does have some pretty, actually it does have some really nice interior in here, man. This is probably going to be one of the cleanest cars up here. That's crazy how we was just about to walk past it like nothing. But it does have 134,000 miles, so the mileage is really good. I don't see any body damage. That's a plus. We do got a taillight out that's over there. No big deal. You may be able to flip this thing really quick because, you know, people in Vegas love Cadillacs, unfortunately. Love Cadillacs, fortunately. So we'll see what happens, man. We got a '03 Impala. Looks like 187,000 miles. I'm actually good on the '03 Impala. It's a little bit old for me, and the mileage is a little bit too high. Whoa, what is this? A 1988 Oldsmobile Delta. Wow, I haven't seen one of these in a while. This thing is before my time, brother. Before my time. The paint on this thing is just faded all the way out. You can take a quick look at the inside. It's got that Oldsmobile. They got pictures and stuff up there and all type of stuff. I mean, the interior and everything is pretty nice for an '88. However, this is not the '88 you want. This car came from New York City, so you might have seen this in one of them like cop movies back in the day. Might have seen this car in one of them cop movies back in the day, but it's not gonna work for us here today, so we're just gonna keep it moving, man. I don't want the Malibu '07, 138,000 miles. The mileage is pretty fair. However, I'm just waiting for the body damage. The wheels are on flat, so you're gonna have to worry about that. The mileage is all right. You get you some decent wheels. It looks like they have some 22s on this thing, so the transmission might be whooped in this car, man. So just be aware of that. We'll have to see what's going on. What y'all think though? Got a Monte Carlo '01. Yeah, we don't want the '01. It's not even the SS. 144,000 miles. I mean, the interior is pretty decent, but guys, it's the '01, man. It was probably like, I want to say the first year they came out with these, and then it's not the SS, so you really don't want it. I don't want this '92 Chrysler. Don't want the '01, whatever this is. Alero. 124,000 miles. Bad tie rods, so the suspension on this thing is jacked up. But I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see, dog. We don't want the '04 Subaru with some rod noise. Neither do we want the '03 with a bad trans. This thing is whooped in the back. Definitely looks like somebody took this thing out. And then these cars back here are pretty much done for, and not my style, man. Y'all know my flavor, dog. Y'all know my flavor. Let's see what kind of trucks they got though. We don't want the Ford Excursion or whatever this is with a bad starter. We don't want the BMW 745. We don't want the Honda Pilot or whatever Honda this is. It's got 232,000 miles, but it's been stolen. You guys can see up there, so no need to deal with that. But if you like it, I love it. Whoa, they smacked the heck out this Silverado. This one is cool. I like the rims on it. 97 GMC with the little hips on the back. The hips on the back. Something like this, you gotta have a fat motor up in this joint and some wheels with a huge lip and a wet paint, and this thing will be freaking clean, all original. Looks like they tried to update the front end, which is cool. It does look nice in here. All burgundy, you never really see that anymore. Pretty decent though, man. Got another Silverado. They got in this one 202,000 miles. This one looks to be whooped, super dirty and stuff up in there. They got a nice tool chest, and that's about it. But other than that, it's probably gonna be it. I don't know. I'm cool on the trucks right now. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let me know what was your favorite ride here today at the auction if you haven't already. We're gonna see if we can score something. I don't know if it's anything here I really want, unless it's that 2018 Dodge, but other than that, probably won't grab it. Who knows, man? We'll see at the auction tonight, man. So I'll see you there. Peace.